Professor Peerless here. Today we're going to talk about electric Peerless ovens, and in particular the CE61 with a variable power heat control. Some of you might be confused about this, but it's very unique and it's very good. In your electric manual, page 3, number 4, number 5, it's going to talk a little bit about what we've done when we designed this marvel, and that is the fact that the controller here, which we talked about in a previous lesson, how you set your temperature. It's digital and you set it wherever you want it. But the variable power control is on a dial. On the single ovens, it'll be on the lower panel. This is a side control series. It'll be on the side. And what it does is it controls the top two elements from 10% to 100%, which what it does is it allows you to balance the top and the bottom ovens at all times to the temperature of your desire. So the lower set of elements will run through the controller, and the top element will be controlled through your variable heat control. One caution is that if you find your favorite setting, please mark it. If you let your oven come up to temperature at that setting, it will come up slower, but it will come up temperature stable. If you want it to heat up faster in the morning, turn it all the way up. When your oven comes up to temperature, turn it back down to your favorite setting, and then wait for your oven to stabilize. So this is a very unique feature. It's only available on Peerless ovens, and it allows an economy oven to work very specifically to give you great performance and great pizzas in your pizza shop. So that's your lesson for today. Thank you.